Government ministries, departments and agencies have convened in Entebbe for a national consultation aimed at strengthening Uganda's commitment to regional integration through the IGAD Protocol on free movement of persons. The consultation seeks to develop a Cabinet Memorandum that will secure executive approval to fast-track the ratification, domestication and implementation of the protocol. The protocol will promote the movement of people across the IGAD member states, enhance labor mobility, trade, regional integration and cross-border cooperation.
The IGAD region is hugely affected by lots of insecurities. You've seen of recent, so many refugees have been coming from Sudan, but in the past, and we are still also hosting refugees from other countries, Sudan, South Sudan, Ethiopia, but also Eritrea. So the protocol also supports the aspects of displacement, that it will be very easy for people to gain entry but also gain full residence in country with clear guidelines. The cross-border movements that happen due to trade need to be strengthened, and this protocol provides the guidelines and framework.
And Uganda is really just affirming this because we are ahead. In most of the countries, we have exempted the visas, especially those ones under the East African community. There are remaining some few. So it means a lot to the security, national security, when we come together, and also economic development. It's about numbers. So at the bloc, we got the bigger bloc of IGAD. I think Uganda is benefiting from this free movement or protocol. It doesn't mean that, we go away with regulations. The controls are in place.
The meeting has brought together technical experts from institutions responsible for migration governance, border management, legal and policy coordination, security, labor, health, finance and regional affairs to review the proposed framework and build consensus before it is submitted to the Cabinet.
We remain committed to provide the required technical assistance, policy advice, capacity building support, and evidence-based guidance to help ensure that the implementation of the protocol is aligned with international standards, human rights frameworks, and good practices in a manner that leaves no one behind. I'm confident that the deliberation in this workshop will make meaningful contribution to Uganda's decision-making process and help advance a shared goal for a regional integration and social justice.
Affairs meetings and others. What the IGAD protocol is all about is that Uganda at this stage has signed, but we need to ratify to benefit from the benefits of being member of the IGAD member states. As you know, no man is an island and no man can develop on their own. You've seen how the European Union has developed because of being integrated in terms of free movement. We'd like to see a situation where we're also able to move with our national IDs among the IGAD member states. We'd like to see a situation where your cousin in Kenya can move to Uganda freely with a national ID without having to go through all the immigration procedures. We'd like to see cross-border trade. We'd like to see our border communities develop, and that will be possible by ratifying such protocols.
The outcomes of the consultation will inform Uganda's position on the protocol and support harmonized migration policies that facilitate the free movement of persons and safeguard national security. Zahra Abigawa, UBC News.